How to delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. So if you want to delete the conversation on WhatsApp from both sides, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application and go with the chat in which you would like to delete the conversation. Once you're here on the chat, now you just need to simply send a message, any message that you are comfortable with. Once you've sent the message, now if you want to delete the message or the conversation on WhatsApp from both sides, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to that WhatsApp message. Go with the trash icon which is on the upper side and tap on delete for everyone. And the message will be deleted from both sides. In the same way, if you want to delete the upper message, simply tap and hold on to it. Go with delete and delete. So in this way, you'll be able to delete a message on your WhatsApp. But if you want to delete the whole conversation, then you just need to simply go back, tap and hold on to that chat and tap on delete. And the whole conversation will be deleted. So that's how you can delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.